Hi, I'm Kerry-Ann Reeves. I'm a fourth grade teacher at Daniel Webster Elementary School, and I can't wait to tell you all about Kristy's great idea. Kristy's great idea is the first in the series of the Babysitters Club. It is such a phenomenal book on friends coming together to form a club to solve a problem that they're realizing that parents are having in the community. And this starts with Kristy's great idea. Seeing the Babysitters Club makes me very happy because it brings up positive and happy memories. This book can be used for many different lessons and activities in the classroom. It can be used with social emotional learning. The girls are so very different. They are navigating school, they're navigating different family dynamics. Topics come up like divorce, remarriage, step siblings, neighbors who are different cultures, and they're trying to understand them. So, having those conversations with your students are so important. At the beginning of the Babysitters Club, where we're meeting the characters, we learn a little bit about them. And as you read, you start to hear their voice more, and the character starts to develop and unfold more. That's a great example to use for students when we're teaching them about character development. You can always refer to the text and say how we learned about Kristy in the beginning, and then how we slowly start to hear her voice and it develops more and more. And then we learn so much more about her that it's like Kristy's right in front of you. One of the big things that we do in Reader's Workshop is focusing on the problem and the solution and how they came about a solution within a story. Now, in chapter 14 of the Babysitters Club, there's a big problem that happens in the beginning, and then you start to see how the girls create a solution to that problem. So, using that as the basis for teaching problem and solution or to further develop problem and solution is a great thing to do because it shows a solution from not one, not two, but from the perspective of all the girls. Now, the beauty of where we are now, because schools are either hybrid, in person, fully virtual, you can do activities on Flipgrid where the kids are making videos to share their thoughts or to share their connections or their similarities with the characters. In using Flipgrid, it allows the students to visually present the work that they came up with. So whether it's doing an interview, reading, singing a song, anything that they create in terms of the lesson for the Babysitters Club, they can present it visually, and then their classmates can go in, watch the videos, and leave a video comment. An example of a lesson that they could do on Flipgrid is one that describes the perfect friend for them. Because in the Babysitters Club, they're talking so much about friendships. And in Kristy's great idea, the friendships are starting to grow and form. So on Flipgrid, they could talk about what makes the perfect friend or a great friend or a best friend. These are all great things to use to help the students better understand the book and build deeper connections to the story. I really loved reading the Babysitters Club. My students are enjoying reading the Babysitters Club. It is such a nostalgic book that covers many different topics. I hope that you and your students enjoy reading it as well.